Hello, and welcome to Aspire Vision, the channel where we explore the latest developments in science, technology, health, space, and personal growth. In this video, we will talk about ChatGPT, a powerful language model developed by OpenAI that can not only generate natural and coherent text, but also speak, listen, and process images. Sounds amazing, right? Well, let's find out how ChatGPT works and what it can do. What is ChatGPT? ChatGPT is a sibling model to InstructGPT, which is trained to follow the instructions in a prompt and provide a detailed response. ChatGPT, on the other hand, is trained to interact conversationally. The dialogue format allows ChatGPT to answer follow-up questions, admit mistakes, challenge incorrect premises, and reject inappropriate requests. ChatGPT is based on the GPT 3.5 series of models, which are some of the largest and most advanced language models in the world. They have hundreds of billions of parameters and can generate text on almost any topic with minimal input. ChatGPT is fine-tuned from one of these models using reinforcement learning from human feedback. This means that ChatGPT learns from its interactions with humans and adapts its responses accordingly. How does ChatGPT speak? One of the most impressive features of ChatGPT is that it can speak. Yes, you heard that right. ChatGPT can convert its text output into speech using a text-to-speech (TTS) system. A TTS system converts normal language text into speech using an API powered by the best of Google's AI technologies. ChatGPT can use this system to generate speech with human-like intonation and emotion. You can try ChatGPT's speech feature yourself by visiting chat.openai.com and typing in a prompt. You will see a speaker icon next to the model's response. If you click on it, you will hear ChatGPT's voice. You can also choose from a set of 380+ voices across 50+ languages and variants too. For example, you can make ChatGPT speak in Mandarin, Hindi, Spanish, Arabic, Russian, and more. How does ChatGPT listen? Another amazing feature of ChatGPT is that it can listen. Yes, you heard that right too. ChatGPT can process human speech into text using a speech recognition (SR) system. An SR system converts spoken language into text using an API powered by the best of Google's AI technologies. ChatGPT can use this system to understand what you're saying and respond accordingly. You can try ChatGPT's listening feature yourself by visiting chat.openai.com and clicking on the microphone icon next to the input box. You will be asked to allow access to your microphone. If you agree, you can start speaking to ChatGPT. You will see your speech transcribed into text in real time. Then you will see ChatGPT's response in text and hear it in speech. How does ChatGPT process images? The third fantastic feature of ChatGPT is that it can process images. Yes, you heard that right too. ChatGPT can analyze and manipulate images using an image processing (IP) system. An IP system performs operations on digital images using algorithms and mathematical models. ChatGPT can use this system to enhance images, restore images, segment images, synthesize images, compress images, and more. You can try ChatGPT's image processing feature yourself by visiting chat.openai.com and clicking on the camera icon next to the input box. You'll be asked to upload an image from your device or take a photo with your camera. If you do so, you will see your image displayed on the screen. Then, you can type in an instruction for ChatGPT to process your image. For example, you can ask ChatGPT to remove an object from your image, change the color of your image, add a caption to your image, or create a new image based on your image. Conclusion: ChatGPT is a remarkable language model that can not only generate natural and coherent text, but also speak, listen, and process images. It is one of the most advanced examples of artificial intelligence and natural language processing in action. It demonstrates the potential of deep learning and big data to create powerful applications that can enhance our lives. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more content like this. Also, don't forget to check out our website aspirevision.com for more information on science, technology, health, space, and personal growth. Thank you for watching and see you next time.